Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful. Today guys, I want to harvest some peppers. These peppers, I really wanted to leave them for ripe, but the thing about it, when you leave them for ripe, sometimes when it rain fall, it can pop this limb, and by me popping this limb, I'm gonna be losing all these beautiful young peppers that's on the plant. So before I gotta go through that, it's best I just harvest them. Okay, I think I have like 4 to harvest today, so I'm gonna just alright. We have another beautiful one here, and we have one here. You see this one? These things does be so heavy that they does be so start separating. You know, so I gotta come and pick them. Okay, pick this one as well. Okay, so we still have this one and this one, but we're gonna leave them. We have one more. This one harvest this other one up here. Okay, you see this one, we still have small one, lot of small ones. So in a few days, I'll be definitely harvesting these peppers. I tell you that it's like every couple of days you're able to harvest some pepper from these pepper trees, because these peppers grow so fast. This one, let me pick this one there. Alright guys, so I harvest 4 beautiful bell pepper today. Yes guys, look at the size of these pepper. Beautiful size. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please love and blessing. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because we have tons of videos coming. Every week we uploading 2 to 3 videos. Peace, love and blessing.